Gare de Vannes. Vannes train station. So this is France and here is Brittany. This is Brittany and here is Vannes. It is currently -3. It was -4 this morning in Rennes when I left the house. Good day, good day. And look at the sky. First steps trying to find a sandwich. Alright, so now I have my sandwich. So now it's time for a walk. Beautiful houses. The church there. This is cool. That is very cool. So that church is the Cathédrale Saint-Pierre. So that is La Porte Saint-Vincent, so the Saint Vincent gates. So that's La Porte Saint-Vincent from the other side. There you go, so the city center, the old little streets are sort of this way. And there on the other side, it's the harbor, and if you walk like straight ahead, you can walk into nature. Some very nice boats there. Alright, so for today my goal is to walk up to Conlo, so that's a little island with a beach. It's not really an island because there is a road actually going to there, but it's a, how do you say in French, that's the presqu'île, but I think officially it's called an island. A lot of birds there. That's just half of it. And today I have my Nikon D7500. And so that's the kit lens, 18 to 140 millimeters. And that's because of the construction work that we have to do a little detour. Look there, we have Obelix. Obelix! The water is all frozen. I'm just way too warm. Yeah, I'm feeling much lighter right now. It's nearly 11:30 now. Promenade Paul-Chapelle. Pointe des émigrés, ville de Vannes. It is nearly lunchtime. So I've been to Van already, I think 2 years ago. I also think that I went to the same place that I'm going to today, which is very nice. But somehow I remember that it was way longer. And it's true that it's taking me forever wherever I go, because I'm just stopping every second to film and to take photos. So obviously it's going to be longer. Look there on the side. There is a tiny little field. With some sheep. We have sheep. This is going to be my lunch spot. Van is this way, like behind there. I walked there, here, and now I'm at the beginning of the island. I will continue there that way. There, so that's the main beach of this island. It is very cute, and there are a lot of benches there, so a lot of people sitting and just enjoying the sun. So I have gone around the island now. So now I am walking back to Van, the city. It's basically sort of the same path, except at some point where there will be like a parallel path. So I'm going to take this one just for a little bit of change. So back on the same path, Promenade Paul Chapelle, same path. Pointe des Émigrés. So now, instead of taking this path, which is where I came from that way, I'm going to take Polinarium Sentinelle des Salines de Conlo. Here on the left. And that path on the right. By the way, I think I will try to, for this video, I've been trying to film and I will try to edit in a way that's more relaxing, like slow paced, nearly like outdoors ASMR. I've been really inspired by some like, I don't know if you watch some like camping ASMR thing where people just go out camping and it's like raining or whatever, and they are comfy in their car or in their tent, something like this, and they're just like enjoying a warm meal. I've been really enjoying this sort of videos because it's really slow and relaxing. I like travel vlogs and that's where my heart is, but I would like to sort of incorporate the relaxing ambience of those outdoors ASMR videos. So yeah, I will try to do that for this video. Yeah, no shit in there. And we are back on the main path. Got people in the skate park now. I'm back at the harbor. Oh, we are nearly done dismantling this thing now. Let me just walk on there to get a nice view. Oh no, wait, this. Oh, this is moving. Oh, this is moving. Basically, so that's the city there, the city of Van, there, city center, and here towards nature. So that's where I went for a walk, on the right side. Alright, going back. Alright, back towards the city center. Right, but this time we are not going there towards the city center and the little streets. We are continuing that way because I want to show you the fortifications. Okay, so that is Port Calmont. So that's basically Calmont Gate. Yeah, there isn't really anything behind, it's just houses and the regular streets of the city center. We have our Château de l'Hermine, sort of little gardens, access to garden not authorized. So the fortifications actually continue there that way. It's actually the main part of fortifications. That little house is really cute. It's actually possible to walk there past stairs just right there. I think it's actually possible. It's a mix of style with houses like this and then more like this. Aha. Look at that. Those houses. So old and so nice. It's also 4:30 and my train is at 5:10, so I need to start walking back towards the station. That's Hotel de Ville, that's the city hall. Gare de Vannes, here we are. The Vannes train station.